What's up, y'all? This your boy, Justsoyouknowdom, back at it again to bring you some more fire from my YouTube channel. Now, what I need you to do, since I have your attention, is I need you to go hit that subscribe button right up in here so you can stay updated to all my YouTube videos that I'm going to be posting. I need your help, so go ahead and click that subscribe button now. All right, so since you've done that, now let's get right into it. So I recently purchased a car like about a week ago, right? And the car, the guy, he only had one key for the car. So I'm like, okay, whatever. You know, I can get a key made. It's probably going to cost me $300, $400, or whatever the case might be. I really don't know. Anywho, so I found somebody on actually Facebook Marketplace. Yeah, I'm gonna shout him out actually. This guy named Mo. He was real, professional and real helpful or whatever. But I found him and I told him, like, I need an extra key for my car or whatever, because I plan on getting like a remote start, and they was telling me that I need 2 keys to do that. Plus, it's 2 of us that drive the car, so we each of us need a key. So, in case what if I lose a key and then I don't have a key at all, and then I'm asked out. So anywho, I asked him, how much the key is gonna cost. Can he actually make? Can he program, a key, and can he get the metal part to actually work on the door? And he said he could do both for $185. So I'm like, bet, let me do that. So anywho, I go meet the guy at where I meet him at, like somewhere on Inkster or whatever, and in Farmington. So anywho, so we go meet up. And I'm trying to get him like the key, so he can, duplicate it or whatever. He like, nah, I don't even need the key to start it. I'm like, or the program. And I'm like, what? You don't need the key? So I'm like, how you about to do it? So he comes and he has like, this little computer or whatever, and he hooks it up to the what is it called, the OBD or something like that. That's like the computer pretty much of the car. And he's go pressing some buttons. The car alarm went off. It's like beep beep beep. And then next thing I know, the car was started. And I'm like, this fool just started my car up without a key. Like, I'm like, this shit is sweet, So I'm like, dang. So I asked him a question. I was like, what's stopping, the bad guys, thieves, from actually, going out and doing this exact same thing? He like, who said it's stopping them? And I'm like, you got a point there. So, it's actually people that's doing this, that they stealing cars or whatever, because they have this knowledge of, literally, because I asked him specifically, I was like, so you could do this with, any car? He's like, yeah, I could do it to Dodge Chargers, I could do it to Magnums, I could do it to what do you say, some BMWs. I'm like, really? He said, yeah, you don't need no key, you just literally plug this up and you can program a blank like key fob to the car specifically, and the car starts up and you could take off in it or whatever, but I just wanted to share that information with you all. So this is another way that car thieves are doing it. They don't really even need your key, because some people be like, how did they take my car? I heard it start up and all that, but both of my key fobs was in the house, so how was that even possible? What they did was they erased the program of the keys from the car that you had, those 2 key fobs you had in your house. They erased it, then reprogrammed new keys, new blank keys, or new key fobs that they had on their possession for that car, for your car or whatever, and then they took off with it. So that's exactly how they did it or whatever. So yeah, so once again, I wanted to share that information with y'all. Like, so I mean, y'all got to be safe out here. I would say the best thing to do is just get a better alarm system. Make sure your shit is loud. Like, if it goes off, make sure that shit goes off. Because I'm not saying that once your alarm goes off, they still can't steal it, because this dude, he literally reprogrammed the key in like less than, what, I would say 5 minutes. Less than 5 minutes, he reprogrammed the key. My car was started, and that was it. But I mean, you just got to be quick about it. If your alarm go off, you go out there to scare the guy off or something, anything. Yeah, but just wanted to put that information out there, y'all. And that's it. If you haven't subscribed already, go ahead, take a second and subscribe to my channel. I'm going to be trying to put y'all up on game, keeping y'all hip out here. So yeah, y'all stay safe out there.